You ever wonder how long it would take to build a website using AI just to generate leads? This is day 29 of using Google Firebase to generate real estate leads. And what we did yesterday was we focused on not this page, but this page. So what we did here was a couple of really major things. First, we changed it from this style. Notice we're still in the city page. And I've been having some issues in the performance of these pages because they're cannibalizing some of my main keyword pages. So through some conversation with ChatGPT and Gemini and Google Notebook LM, somehow we decided to 301 redirect all of the pages that you see here, like this one, this one, this one, and this one, to this main location page. I'm not too sure if that was the best way to go because, like theoretically, that's what it was saying to do, like overall structure. But I also see that this one was getting way more impressions, and a better position. So I don't know if this is like page specific right now or if I just moved too soon. And again, I've never done this before, so I'm learning as you guys are watching. And I've been told by the internet powers that this is a really good structure. And I don't know, maybe I didn't give it enough time. So again, this is Google Search Console, and what we're trying to do is consolidate the powers here, because right now Google is kind of getting confused on pages that have the word Bluff. Moss Bluff is a location in the area in Louisiana, and it's getting confused. It doesn't know which page to show. There's an overwhelming majority of this page, and this is a page that does actually exist. These, I have changed the structure of the URLs. You can see this is the new structure, old structure, old structure, old structure, new structure, but without the service. So this is just location folder, neighborhood or city, and then it's missing the keyword here. So I hate rebuilding things, and this is the hardest part about not having any experience with this, is not knowing which way to go. And there could have been a critical oversight here. I'm not actually checking the data. Because if we look at this again at Leesville, it doesn't even show our city slash service page folder. All we get is the location page. Then if we look this way, the most impressions is the home page, and then these are old URL structures that I don't use anymore. Don't use this anymore, don't use this. And I don't actually think these are getting any. October 9th, they're still getting some. So, yeah, you see I made a big mess here. Like this one, locations like Charles, saw my house fast. So that brings up another huge idea, is that we've got these Lake Charles pages. They're all ranking super weird. None of them are ranking well. This one and this one are getting the most. Hit apply. If we do it right. you can see here all our pages that Google is showing, and none of them do really well except for our about page for some reason. DRitter doesn't have enough info for what queries. But of all the pages, which Lake Charles page is the best? I don't know. It's hard to say. Do we optimize off of the number of impressions, or do we optimize off of the current position? Because that would say we optimize our about page, but I don't know why we would do that. So what else did we do here? Look at my notes sheet. Remade the page, the briefing report, so we use Notebook LM to build out these briefing reports. So that's Lake Charles. So what I do is I'll add the Google Search Console for the period of time. So whether it be 7 days, 30 days, or whatever, we'll add the page and the query data. And then we'll add the website as well. And we'll tell it to, do a report. We'll do a mind map on it. To here we have a content brief. And I've saved a new note as our report. And this really helps us understand what it is we got going on here. So we've got some keywords, right? So this is kind of the structure you start to see. And then this is how it broke it down. Pretty helpful. Then we also have the report. Oops. Content brief. So convert existing search engine visibility, and here it goes through a whole bunch of stuff. So I don't know. We're just trying to make progress every day, test a bit, see what happens, and try not to make a huge mess. But we're getting there. If we look at the performance and we reset the filters, what I think is interesting, and the way I like to do this is go for the easy pages first. So Westlake is ranking at page 5, DeRitter is at page 6, and Vinton is page 6.5, 7. So I'm looking at these location pages and I'm saying like, okay, they're doing pretty good overall. Like they are the pages that are ranking the best. So, we also had this kind of like conversation about the location / sell my house page and how it was getting more impressions. But if we kind of look at the trend, which pages get more results, get better results? It's the location pages. Now they're in a different format. I changed the formatting on the URL structure, good or bad, whatever. I don't know yet. See, here's one of the new locations. It's doing okay. It's only got 1 impression. Here is a location and a keyword page. Location. So this one's doing good. This is the one we were talking about. So I don't know. I moved. Used to be this was the location, right? Nothing really on here, just more about the area. And now this location page is the main keyword, so sell my house fast. And that's what this is actually optimized now for. And we optimized a few others for the same way we did Leesville. We consolidated a bunch of pages. So I guess we're going to continue on with that path today. Don't know if it's wrong or right, but we're just going to keep making changes and see how they go. If you have any questions, we have a Skool community. And let's see, where's our Skool community? It's over here. Go here, go high level for real estate. So this is a platform we use to hang out and chat with each other. Brokers, connectors, bird dogs, realtors, capital raisers, and what we do is remove conversation chaos without spreadsheets, free tools, and wasted conversations. We do a lot of work with Go High Level in here, but we also focus on the other end, which is lead generation using AI built websites and SEO. If you got any questions, get up in the group and ask away. Peace.